one great writer, that is George Bernard Shaw. I will write the spelling here. Okay. He gave one quotation that animals are our friends and we don't eat our animals. Yes, Peter. You are against? Okay. We know that non-vegetarian diet is full of proteins and we need protein to grow. Still, we are asking that we should become. Okay. Okay. You can ask any question in the beginning. Yes. Okay. You can always ask question in the beginning or give quotation. Okay, and then you can greet the audience that a very warm welcome to jury members, okay, respected teachers and my dear audience. He has given that line that animals are my friend and I don't eat my friend. Yes. Okay. Fine. Now I'm going to sum up the beginning. 2 or 3 students have already told me they are against this motion. They are saying that non-vegetarian diet is full of protein and children definitely need protein to grow well. Then how can we raise this question that everyone should become vegetarian? Then a very warm welcome to jury members and my dear audience. Today your name has got opportunity or is standing before you to share my views against the motion or in favor of the motion. Today I dash your name is standing before you to speak in favor or against. To speak in favor, अगर ये नहीं लिखना तो against the motion means ये idea जो ऊपर लिखा मैंने. Everyone should become vegetarian. So this is the beginning. One minute, please. Yes, सीधे लिख दो. Today I, your name is standing before you to speak, to share my views in favor of the motion or against the motion. In favor के साथ off लिख देना. No need. Only your name. If it is mentioned in the question, then you can mention. Now think about 3 points that you will give in your 3 paragraphs. Okay? If you are against this line, then think about the advantages of non-vegetarian diet. Okay? 3 advantages should be there, or at least 2. 3 nahi bhi milti, you can give 2 advantages. Or if you are in favor of this line, then you can think about advantages of vegetarian diet and disadvantages of non-vegetarian diet. Okay? Something in a different way, but beta, I strongly feel that कुछ ऐसा लिखना है, ठीक है? Or you can ask again question to the audience, ठीक है? You have written. And अगर आपको लगे कि you are not getting 3 advantages, तो 2 paragraph of advantages of non-vegetarian और 1 paragraph में disadvantages vegetarian की दे. Is it clear? 2 advantages of vegetarian diet and 1 disadvantage of non-vegetarian diet. Mix कर सकते हो आप दोनों को, ठीक है? Now I'm giving you 2 minutes to write your first paragraph only. अब वेजिटेरियन डाइट के जो फेवर में है, दे कैन गिव एग्जांपल दैट स्टडीज हैव शोन दैट ईटिंग नॉन वेजिटेरियन डाइट इंक्रीज द रिस्क ऑफ कैंसर एंड हार्ट डिजीजेस, एंड दिस इज ट्रू. ओके, सो इसलिए वी कैन अवॉइड वेजिटेरियन नॉन वेजिटेरियन डाइट. एंड सम ऑफ द पीपल raise this question that protein is there only in non-vegetarian diet. That's not true. There are so many vegetarian products also which are full of protein, like soya, nuts. ठीक है, तो ये vegetarian वाले ये argument दे सकते हैं. And non-vegetarian, you please think about it. First paragraph, 1 minute, your time starts.
Ma'am, there are very limited meals in vegetarian diet.
Okay, limited. Okay, variety is there. Okay, please justify, beta. Justify your point. Okay.
Ma'am, as eating out can be a challenge. Like there are not much options to eat.
Okay, there are not much options. Then you can give example that how you can say that there are not much options. Okay, he has given one point that variety is there in non-vegetarian food. Vegetarian में वही same चीजें होती हैं. Do you agree, vegetarian? Do you think that इसमें variety बहुत होती है और इसमें नहीं होती? Justify. Just saying no is not enough. How? In the non-vegetarian there are many types of chicken and like a lot of fishes. There are many types, but in the vegetarian food there are particular limited foods and like vegetables. Okay. Yes, vegetarian. Still they are totally benefit, but in the non-vegetarian food there is a lot of variety for that food. Okay, vegetarian, please speak. क्या कहते हो? In the vegetarian food, some protein foods are having some side effects also. For example, if we are taking some shake protein, then they that affect our kidneys. Okay, that is artificial protein. Supplements की बात कर रहे हो? Okay. Vegetarian में artificial protein. Beta, he's saying that vegetarian people just move to supplements to fulfill the requirement of protein. उनको ऐसे नहीं मिलता. Then they go to that particular जो packets मिलते हैं powdered form में. They have to consume that. That's not beneficial. वो kidneys के लिए. Okay, valid point. You can add this point in source of protein definitely. Always try to justify your point. So well said. Of vegetarians, you have to justify your points. Okay. Yes, Ipsa, what do you say? After Ipsa, please Gaurish come here after Ipsa. Yes, Ipsa.
Yes, ma'am. I strongly believe that everyone should have vegetarian diet. It is carbohydrates which provide energy to the human beings, but it is not present in non-vegetarian diet. And non-vegetarian food is the cause of many diseases like cancer, etc. Most importantly, it is believed that during corona pandemic, those who are corona positive are mostly non-vegetarian.
Seriously?
Yes, ma'am, मैंने सुना था.
Is there any study about it? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Chalo, I'll read it today. Most non-vegetarians were affected. Okay. Non-vegetarian food is also recommended to eat. But not in their period. The person is very weak and that is debatable. I can't comment on this because I have to read it whether WHO has given this thing or not. Which I think it's not been given by WHO, but I'll definitely read it. Then I'll let you know tomorrow कि WHO ने कहा है जो चिकन खाते हैं उनको ही कोविड ज्यादा होता है. I don't believe it. I don't believe it still. Okay. Yes. But one thing is certain that COVID has emerged from non-vegetarian thing. That is sure. ठीक है? In China, we know that कि वहाँ पे जो भी था bats थे whatever, they used to consume that thing और वहीं से उनको मिला है. ठीक है? So one thing is sure कि vegetarian diet is actually disease free. यहाँ पे diseases कम है, यहाँ पे diseases के chances ज़्यादा है. You can give definitely example of COVID. ठीक है? तो vegetarians के पास सबसे बड़ी example है. Okay. Okay, you can say. Yes, Gaurish, please come.
I strongly believe that the non-vegetarian food is full of nutrients and provides our body with excess amount of protein that our body needs. This protein that comes from this diet is very beneficial in the growth of our body, growth of our hair, and also for our teeth.
Anyone vegetarian, if you want to challenge, please. Yes, sir.
I strongly say that vegetarian is better than non-vegetarian. If people will become vegetarian, then half of the bad things will destroy on the earth. Some people think that by eating eggs, meat, fish, etc., they will become healthy, but this is not true. We are taking if we are taking good veg diet, then we will become healthy. There are so many healthy things except non-vegetarian like carbohydrates, dals, milk, etc.
So this is the valid point. This is actually true that non-vegetarian diet is actually acidic in nature. You might have heard these terms in science: acidic, basic, alkaline. ठीक है? Non-vegetarian diet is actually acidic. वो आपके अंदर जाके एक acidic environment बनाती है body के. But vegetarian diet is alkaline environment आपके अंदर बन जाता है, basic थोड़ा सा. And this is proven actually that acidic diet is actually it causes cancer. ठीक है? This is true. So आप ये point दे सकते हो vegetarian, क्योंकि non-vegetarians के बाद बहुत points है. That's why I'm helping you vegetarians. So you can give this thing that it creates alkaline atmosphere environment in the body that leads to disease-free body. ठीक है? Okay. Yes, Karthik, please challenge. Okay. Chahe, can you name any animal that extincted due to just eating, overeating? Okay, जहाँ तक मुझे extinct animals याद है, I think one is dodo bird that we don't eat. ठीक है? Rhino we don't eat. Okay, dinosaur we don't eat. ठीक है? और क्या था? और कौन से extinct हुए? Tigers extinct हो सकते हैं. They are endangered species. उनको भी हम नहीं खाते. So I think other human activities lead to extinction, not eating. ठीक है? क्योंकि नॉन वेजिटेरियन दे कैन गिव पॉइंट कि बैलेंस बना रहता है. नॉन वेजिटेरियन कैन गिव दिस पॉइंट दैट बैलेंस इन नेचर इज मेंटेन्ड ड्यू टू दिस फूड चेन इज गोइंग ऑन एक्चुअली. ठीक है?
In medicine, and in some like cod liver oil.
Exactly.
People also consume that.
Exactly.
In that way, they are also consuming non-vegetarian.
Okay. Yes.
So we can't say that they are purely vegetarian.
Okay. Fine. Correct. Well done. Now listen, please, all. Non-vegetarians are giving point that we maintain balance in nature. This is the process of food chain. ठीक है? अगर एक चीज दूसरे को कंज्यूम नहीं करेगी तो वो चीज एक्सेस हो जाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल उनका मानना है कि सड़कों पे जो चिकन्स हैं वो हेन्स हैं वो घूमनी शुरू हो जाएंगी. दैट इज द फूड चेन. दैट इज जस्ट दे आर क्रिएटिंग बैलेंस इन नेचर. ठीक है. अब इनसे कोई पूछे कि अगर पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है तो हमें भी कुछ खाना शुरू कर दे. ठीक है. हम कितने लोग हैं. जस्ट टू डिक्रीज पॉपुलेशन हमें भी इसका मतलब कोई खाना शुरू कर दे, है ना. So we are decreasing the population of hens and goats, but we people are so many. We are more than 100 crores, and we think that कि हम balance बना रहे हैं. That is the point from vegetarian side. आपने ये point देना है कि we maintain food chain, और आप आगे से ये point दे सकते हो कि human beings are also excessive. Then should someone eat human beings also? ठीक है. So I'm giving points from both sides. Yes.
The balance in the nature, I have studied about that. The shopkeepers
Hmm.
they are forcing the hens by the artificial method to lay more eggs. They are
Yes.
forcing them
Okay.
to lay more
So
eggs.
meat and chicken is not healthy because no good diet is given to hens and goats. ठीक है. Artificial diet and hormonal जो injections होते हैं उनको लगाते हैं so that they can produce more eggs. तो वो बिल्कुल भी healthy नहीं होते. ठीक है. Yes, Raghav, please. Okay. Exactly. True, true. Non-vegetarian diet is full of cholesterol that blocks arteries of our heart, ठीक है, and eventually leads to heart diseases. ठीक है. Okay. Yes, Jyotin. And then Shubh will speak. Yes. You want to challenge? Chehek को है. सारे चहक के पीछे पड़ गए आज. Yes, yes. तो चहक he's giving point कि अगर हमारे ancient people ना खाते they wouldn't be able to get warmth, ठीक है, and protein, source of protein, then they would die eventually और फिर हम भी ना होते. ठीक है. What about source of protein? They are saying कि what are 1 minute. They are asking what about source of protein? जो warmth मिलती है source of protein है वो कहाँ से आता है? उस टाइम इतने nuts तो थे नहीं कि वो खा लेते, ना ही सोया था. Then what would happen? इसका मतलब नॉन वेजिटेरियन जीत गए. No. Okay. Yes, Karthik. Karthik after Shubh. Okay. Yes, Shubh, please.
Yes, ma'am. I strongly feel that non-vegetarian diet is better than vegetarian diet. It has several benefits. It is a source full of proteins and nutrients. We have many varieties of non-vegetarian food. It helps us to strengthen our muscles. Food chain is in balance of nature.
Okay. So food chain, nutrients. Okay. So try to give these points in separate paragraphs along with the explanation. Okay. Who will give now conclusion, please? 1 minute. Parth. Okay. Last Parth. Then I'll ask you. Then everyone will frame conclusion. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, yes.
Parth.
Ma'am, ma'am, do you think this is good to fulfill our requirements by just killing someone? God has made a lot of good things to eat, which are too nutritious.
Yes. So you can talk about God. We all are creation of God in this point morally. It is morally good to eat vegetarian diet and it is immoral to eat non-vegetarian diet. Yeah, vegetarians they sakte point. We all are the creation of God. Then how we can kill other things? Okay? Who gave us authority to kill other animals and eat them? Yes, Karthik, and then we'll make the conclusion. Okay, yes.
And we can also say that in vegetarian food, people also spread pesticides, fertilizers, and
बिल्कुल,
also
yes.
injections of foods to their color more brightly.
Yes.
They are also very dangerous for their health.
Exactly. Yes, Jason, any point? He is saying अगर health healthy नहीं है तो vegetarian भी healthy नहीं है because pesticides, insecticides, many things are used by farmers.
But we can also grow. But we can also grow vegetables in our home.
Okay, he is giving point that we can make terrace or kitchen garden in our home and अपनी use के लिए थोड़ी we can just have.
So that every people will do this thing. Some people they can also spread.
What about those people who live in just one room or multiple rooms are there or one room में सारे रहते हैं, they don't have access to their terrace, or what about that hut जो huts में रहते हैं, ठीक है, poor people.
Because farmers so that we should not spread pesticide, but someone will spread.
Okay, fine. Justified. Correct. Well done. Savya. Okay.
Mama, I think rich people should give vegetables to poor people by selling.
Do you really think rich people will give vegetables to poor people? वो तो उनसे भी लेके दौड़ जाएंगे. They will definitely get there. Rich people can't give their vegetables to poor. उनके पास जो थोड़ी बहुत होंगी वो भी ले जाएंगे definitely. ठीक है? Okay, yes, Raghav. It's very painful to kill. Again, morality में आएगा that it's very painful for animal to bear that pain. If even mosquito bites us, we feel pain. We feel pain in even little injection also. That how can we cut someone? ठीक है, just to get protein. ठीक है, we can find out some more ways. So it is painful to kill animals. उनके लिए बहुत painful है. Yes, beta. Now, please conclusion. 1 minute, Jason. Conclusion. I strongly feel, yeah, कुछ भी, in my point of view, due to its health benefits, morally, and due to avoid diseases, we just move to vegetarian diet. आप conclusion में ये तीनों points mention करके you will conclude your paragraph, okay? और non-vegetarian food is loaded with proteins, ठीक है? We can get variety of food, and to maintain balance in nature, we should remain non-vegetarian in our life. Okay? Yes, Peter.
I have seen many bodybuilders. Some of them use non-vegetarian diet to maintain their muscles full of protein. Other hand, some vegetarian bodybuilders had maintained their muscles by natural diet. It takes some time, but is fully of natural processes. The scientific study has proven that eating a lot of non-vegetarian meals can lead to cancer, and these meals have a lot of oil that can lead our heart problems. In eating vegetarian meals, this can gives us less chance to getting infected from some these diseases.
Health point. Any other point you want to cut someone's point? You want to challenge someone? Yes, please.
Like you people vegetarian consume करते हैं मैं वो डायरेक्ट पैकेजिंग ही लेते हैं तो उनको नहीं पता उसमें क्या क्या मटेरियल यूज हुए हैं सामान जो उसको बनाता है क्या उसमें वो नॉन वेज यूज किया गया उसमें कुछ पेस्टिसाइड
But isn't there a green sign there? What shows that?
उनको पावरफुल दे सकते हैं या
Okay. Indirectly you are saying कि कुछ ना कुछ use होता है.
In the meals where many bodybuilders take the natural oats also.
Okay. Oats. Okay. Yes.
Even we can say that it is become of meat.
That leads to cancer. Exactly. Pesticides जो होते हैं that leads to cancer. That I agree. ठीक है. So not only non-vegetarian food is leads to cancer, but vegetarian also. But that is the problem of our government, not vegetarian food. That I am telling you. Naturally इसमें acid होता है जो naturally cancer करते हैं. But ये हम लोगों ने बनाया not vegetarian food. If we talk about Western countries, वहाँ पे vegetarian जो होते हैं vegetables organic मिलती हैं. That doesn't lead to cancer. So this is the problem of our government, not this vegetarian diet. ठीक है? So pesticides की problem, vegetarian can give this thing that this is not vegetarian food that causes cancer. These are the farmers, and this is the lack of government check. ठीक है? Government ध्यान नहीं रखती, otherwise vegetarian food थोड़ी करता है cancer. Just talk about vegetarian food, not about pesticides. That is the problem of our farmer and government, not vegetarian food. ठीक है?
People who are killing and eating the animals, they should be afraid from God, as God is seeing everybody.
Okay. चलो हरमीत धमकी दे रहा है आपको. God is looking at you all. Okay. Yes, Akshara, last point, then I'll end the meeting with her. We are just, it's 9:35 already. Yes, Vita.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as Chinese people ate non-vegetarian, that's why COVID spread. And I think that's God gave us punishment that stop eating non-vegetarian. God has made so many things for us to eat. Why we are killing animals to fulfill our diet? There are so many vegetarian things to eat.
Okay. Yes, Akshara. Nice one. So she's saying that God has punished us in the form of COVID-19 because we were killing the animals, okay, brutally. That's why God has punished with this pandemic. This is the point of Akshara. So अब आप चैलेंज कर देना कल. We have 1 minute. Just चलो. Okay.
काफी गॉड ने पनिश किया तो मैं इमेजिन कर सकती कि कोई भी चीज प्रॉब्लम हुई है वो नॉनवेज की तरफ से हुई है ये मैं क्यों गॉड ने किसी के कारण पनिश किया हमें नॉनवेज.
Okay. Akshara, he's saying, okay. Akshara